Today I'd like to walk you through the RG130 renovation grinder from Festool. The RG130 is a heavy-duty, brushless surface grinder. It utilizes diamond tooling to grind very aggressive surfaces. It features this brush area around the cutter that helps it capture the dust as it's made, and that is spring-loaded to adjust to the surfaces. It also has a segment in the front that can be flipped up to work up against another wall or any abutting surface. This allows the grinder to get very, very close to those edges. Working your way across the top, you also have a large adjustable bail handle. It has different areas by which to hang on to it depending on what surfaces you're working on. And as we work our way back toward the back of the machine, you'll notice it has a green button right here. That green button actuates a Bluetooth function. So if you're working with one of our Bluetooth activated dust extractors, you can use this to trigger the dust extractor when the tool is engaged. There's also a rotary dial variable speed on the top, as well as variable speed in the trigger and a locking function. Further on the dust extraction note, you would use a larger 36mm hose on this machine. That will couple well with our CT48 dust extractor. Lastly, there's also a ring that can be adapted to the machine. This allows you to precisely adjust for depth control, for precise stock removal. And we also offer a wide range of diamond impregnated cutters to work with the machine depending on the type of surface you're working on. That's the RG130 renovation grinder from Festool.